Now here we are going to start word problem over here. Number 1 is a leaking tap wastes 3750 ml of water in 1 hour. Okay, the water wasted in 1 hour is how much? 3750 ml of water is wasted in 1 hour. What is the question? How much water is wasted in a day? Okay, so we are going to find out first that how many hours are there in a day. In a day there are 24 hours. We know that in a day there are 24 hours, so how much water will be wasted in 24 hours? We are going to multiply to check it that how much water is going to be wasted in 24 hours. एक दिन में 3750 ml जो है वो एक घंटे में आपका पानी वेस्ट हो रहा है. लीकिंग टैप, जो टैप होता है, नल होता है पानी का, उससे वाटर लीक हो रहा है और इतना वाटर लीक हो रहा है एक घंटे में. तो 24 आवर्स में कितना पानी लीक हो रहा होगा? वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट. दिस इज द डेटा ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन. यू आर गोइंग टू फर्स्ट राइट डाउन द डेटा. ये आपका डेटा होगा. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन से ही हम डाटा कलेक्ट करते हैं. क्वेश्चन में ही ये सब चीज़ें मेंशन हुई हुई हैं. वाटर वेस्टेड एट 3750 इन 1 आवर. हाउ मच वाटर इज वेस्टेड इन अ डे we have to find out. So we are going to do it like this. You are just going to understand it now. Solution you're going to write down, and you're going to write down that in a day 24 hours are there. Okay, there are 24 hours. I'm going to erase this and start from a new page. So 3750 multiplied by 24 is equals to dash water will be wasted in a day, and then you're going to do the working. All right, this will be your statement in the answer. You're going to do the working and then you will write down your answer over here in the dash. All right, so you will get your answer and you do the working of this, multiply it, and you will get the answer that this much ml of water is wasted in a day. And I'll show you the working, that how you will do it. 3750 multiplied by 24. Okay, we're going to multiply it. 4 zeros are 0, 4 5 are 20, 0 here, 2 carried, 4 sevens are 28 plus 2 30, 0 here and 3 carried, 4 threes are 12 plus 3 15. Then you're going to multiply this with 2, and this is 2 tens, it's 20, so we are going to place a 0 first here, and then you're going to multiply further with 2. All right, 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, 0 here and 1 carried, 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 15, 5 here and 1 carried, 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7. Now we are going to add it. 0 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, 0, 7 plus 2 9. So you're going to write down then 90,000 ml of water wasted in a day. All right, that's how you're going to do your solution. You will first write down the heading of solution, you will do the working, this working you will do, and you are going to write down this statement after the working, that 90,000 ml of water is wasted in a day. You can also underline this because this is your answer. So 90,000 ml of water is wasted in a day. All right.